This video is sponsored by Direct Mobiles. You can check out their deals at directmobiles.co.uk. Welcome to Btekt, this is David, and today I've got another set of True Wireless earbuds to review. This time it's the Kygo E7 1000 True Wireless Waterproof Earbuds. Now these are the type that come with their own charging case, and altogether you'll get 24 hours of continuous use. You get 6 hours from the earbuds themselves, and then you get an additional 18 hours if you use the charging case. We'll take a look on the back. It says we get 24 hours of use, as I mentioned, stereo phone calls. There's a microphone, which apparently is a feature, but which is kind of what you expect from this kind of device. IPX7 waterproof rated, multifunctional button, and AAC sound quality. So let's get them out of the box and take a look. Now these are designed by a Norwegian company, and I actually think they look really good. I would have maybe preferred the black versions, but the white ones I think will still look nice, and I think it's an important factor when considering these kinds of earbuds. Sometimes these devices can make you look a little bit weird, but these ones do have a nice kind of modern look to them. 6 hours of use is actually quite impressive for these kind of earbuds. The charging case is good for another 3 charges. It has a nice soft touch to the outside and is made from a fairly thin gauge plastic. It definitely makes it quite a light unit to be carrying around all day in your pocket, although I'm not sure how good the survivability of a fall would be. The earbuds themselves are made from what feels like a slightly better quality plastic material, and the multi-function button on each earpiece is a physical button and not a touchpad, and has a gentle click to it. They come pre-fitted with some memory foam type tips. For some reason my ones are black, which seems a bit strange, although all the other tips in the pack are white, although they are the softer silicone variety. Now with any wireless earbuds or any in-ear earphones, it is very important to select the correct fitting tip for your ears to get the best possible sound from them. If you're using tips that are too big or too small, then you might find the sound on your new headphones to be quite disappointing. It's not until you fit them into your ears correctly with the right size buds that you get the true quality of the sound. I find that with these kinds of earbuds where we have the winglet which clips into your ear do provide a good seal generally, and selecting the right winglet is just as important as getting the right earbuds. When it comes to the fit, I find these to be a very good and well designed pair of headphones. They do seem to fit me quite well, and once you clip that hook in, I get a good seal. When it comes to pairing the headphones, there is instructions written on the inside of the box. Take them out of the case for the first time and they will go into pairing mode. Keep them close to one another and leave them there for about 10 seconds, allowing them to pair with one another. It says 10 seconds on the box, but I did find it took me a little bit longer, so just be a little bit patient. These instructions written across the box did have me a little bit worried about whether or not these headphones would be the type that would be constantly disconnecting from one another, and then I'd have to repair it all the time. But I have found so far that once they do pair, that they do stay connected to each other, and you don't have to worry about it again. But if you don't follow those instructions, then your initial pairing might be a bit of a hassle. These headphones use AAC audio, which is a compression codec, which actually is quite similar to MP3, although it allows for a higher data rate while still producing files of around about the same size. Inside the casing is a 6mm driver, which does sound a little bit small in comparison to some of the headphones that I've reviewed lately. For example, the Huawei Earbuds 3, which is around about the same price, has 14mm drivers, and the Adidas FWD-01 headset, which I reviewed yesterday, has 13mm drivers. But despite that, as long as you make a good seal with these headphones by choosing the correct earbuds, they actually sound pretty good. Although the experience that I'm having is quite a flat sound. The headphones have plenty of volume, but to me, the bass, mid-range and tops all seem to be at the same level, so nothing really grabs your attention. I feel like it would definitely benefit if it was able to connect to the Kygo sound app, which lets you adjust the sound profile for some of their over-the-ear headphones. It's not that I'm disappointed with the sound, it's just that I feel that there is more potential there. My overall feeling about these headphones is that the price is just a little bit too high. At €149, there is just too much competition around at the moment that comes in at around about the same price point with more features and a better sound. For example, these EOZ Icon buds that I'm about to review have pretty much the same specs, also with 6mm drivers, but the cost is only £85. And the Huawei Earbuds 3 that I reviewed the other day are around about the same price, although feature very good noise cancellation and have an excellent sound. I think these headphones have a really good design. They are a great set of workout headphones. The whole package is very lightweight, and the IPX7 waterproof rating is a really nice touch, and they do look good. I think many people's purchasing choices will be driven partly by the design of this type of product. Personally, I really like the style and the way they fit. If they were priced around about the same as the EOZ Icons, then I would say that these were a great buy. I think that most people that buy these headphones won't be disappointed with what they get, especially if it fits your style. But I think that for the money, there are better options out there. But having said that, you could do a lot worse than these. Anyway, that's it from me. Thank you for watching my review about the Kygo True Wireless Waterproof Earbuds. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then make sure you leave me a comment, a like, and subscribe for more Btekt. And before I go, I want to say a big thank you to our sponsors, Direct Mobiles, for looking after us here at Btekt. They have over 24 years of award-winning customer service, and it is just a great place to look if you need a new phone, as you can compare all of the UK deals with all of the UK networks, all on the one website. Their link is in the video description below, or you can search directmobiles.co.uk. I'll leave a link in the description for the Kygo headphones, and whilst you're down there, please check out our new Btekt Amazon shop with all the latest tech and accessories, all recommended by us. It's definitely worth checking out. And that's it from me. Follow me on social media. My name's David, and this is Btekt.